I'm Alexandra and I am the Home-Baked Vegan, and today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate quilted sugar cookies. It's pretty simple when it gets down to it. You can find all of my recipes at homebakedvegan.com for my sugar cookies and my vegan royal icing, but let's go ahead and get started. And that's how I make my quilted sugar cookies. So thank you for watching. Again, you can find all of my recipes at homebakedvegan.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Ask me any questions about decorating sugar cookies in the comments below, and I will try and answer your questions in any upcoming videos. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.